I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox piano on mobile. First, open the Roblox application on your mobile device. Then, navigate to a game that features a playable piano. Make sure your device's sound is turned on so you can hear the notes you play. Once in the game, find the virtual piano interface, which usually appears as a keyboard on your screen, ready for interaction. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth musical experience. Playing the piano on your mobile device is quite intuitive. Simply tap the virtual keys displayed on your screen to produce individual musical notes. Many in-game pianos will show labels like C, D, E to help you identify each note. Start by tapping a few keys in a row to get a feel for the responsiveness. You can begin practicing simple, well-known melodies to build your rhythm and finger coordination. To elevate your mobile piano playing, try using multi-touch gestures. This allows you to tap two or more keys at once, enabling you to play chords and create richer harmonies. Sometimes, adjusting your in-game camera angle can provide a clearer view of the entire keyboard, making complex pieces easier to manage. Remember, different Roblox games might offer unique piano mechanics, so explore various options for diverse musical challenges. Consistent practice is key to becoming a skilled Roblox mobile pianist. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to improve your finger dexterity and speed. Listening to real piano music can also inspire you and help you understand rhythm and melody better. Consider joining in-game music groups or communities. Collaborating with other players can open up new creative avenues and enhance your overall musical journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.